Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Auto Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. I am Lydia, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce your polygon count without messing up your UV and texture. So let's get started. So this is a cart filled with different type of fruits, and most of these fruits were downloaded online and they are kind of heavy. This scene is about 64.8 MB, just this scene, and that's because of this mesh. And to render this, it took a lot of time for something as small as this, and that's because each one is dense. Even this cucumber is really dense, and to reduce this, there are different ways to do this. You can easily just retopologize and transfer the UV and bake and do all that, or you can just go using a very simple method, but this will mess up your subdivision flow and your quad and everything, and it might not, if you reduce it too much, it might mess up your UV, but not too much. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's start with the cucumber. To reduce polygon count, just go to mesh, clean up, decimate geometry. So just come down, and the ratio now is still 1. That means you've not really reduced anything. So just change this to 0.5. So you see that it's messing up the edge flow, but let me go to 0.1. But you still have something good, and the quality, the UV is there, the quality is still there, like your UV, your texture is there, but you don't have to sacrifice size. So with that done, let's go to this, mesh, clean up, decimate geometry. So 0.1, you see, it still look good. And you can also use modifier for this. Just come down to modifier, decimate, reduce the ratio, so you won't really see. Let me come here, wireframe. So you see, using the modifier is not destructive. You can as well get your original mesh back, and you can just do this. But if you use the first method, is destructive. So for instance, for this, let me just go to decimate and reduce it. So it's reduced. So but the essence of this is that when you use the modifier, it works with just that particular object, because if you look at the data, I have 16 objects that uses this particular data, and the other ones don't have the modifier. So if you don't know how to copy modifier, let's say you want to go with this modifier method, check out our tutorial on how to copy modifier from one mesh to another. So you can use that to transfer the settings here to the other ones. But usually I don't do this. I just save a backup, then just do this and clean up, decimate geometry. To me, it's faster, and I don't have to worry about modifiers and all that. So by doing this, it works with all the other ones. So this is another fruit, mesh, clean up, decimate geometry. So if I save this now, 45, the main one I did from 64, I was able to reduce it to 17 MB, and that's because I reduced the watermelon, reduced these ones, reduced virtually everything to about 0.1, and from 64 I was able to get 17 without losing my UV or texture. So that is for this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and click on the notification bell to get notified every time we upload videos. And until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye bye.